Are you new to the US and struggling to build credit, get approved for a loan, or even qualify for a simple credit card? You're not alone. Every year, thousands of immigrants face the same challenge: no credit history, no financial identity, and no clear roadmap. I created this course specifically to solve this problem. In this step-by-step course, you're going to learn exactly how to establish credit in the US from scratch, even if you've just arrived and have no social security number yet. And here's what's included in this course: how to get your first credit card even with no credit history, smart strategies to build and maintain a strong credit score, how to qualify for car loans, mortgages, and business funding, tools and apps that make credit building easier and faster, common mistakes to avoid that can ruin your score, and as a bonus, credit building checklists and templates so that you can use them whenever you need. Whether your goal is to finance a home, buy a car, open a business, or just gain financial freedom, this course gives you the tools to make it happen fast, confidently, and legally. And don't forget, your investment in this course is 100% risk-free with Udemy's 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not right for you, you get your money back, no questions asked. So don't wait to take control of your financial future. Click enroll now and start building the credit you need to live the life you deserve in the US.